Arnold Schwarzenegger as part of Stutz Terkel's book American Dreams, Lost and Found. It's about Arnold Schwarzenegger's life story and his definition of success. He tells us, the readers, where and what he came from and how he became who he is. He explains how he from a very young age started dreaming big. As a 15-year-old, he wanted to become the best bodybuilder in the world and the most muscular man. He won Mr. Universe innumerable times and retired from the competition after winning 5 times in a row, a total of 6 times. He accomplished this childhood dream he had, but his mentality was and still is to strive for greatness, which means that he pretty much had no boundaries regarding accomplishments. He believes that you should never be satisfied with the situation you are in. When talking about success, he believes progress can be made no matter what situation you are in. So whether you accomplish something, no, whenever you accomplish something, push a little harder to be even greater than you are right now. His journey has been rough, no doubt about it. He even says himself that he had to put his emotions aside sometimes to get where he is, and he believes strongly that being cold emotionally can be necessary to become the best version of yourself. If you focus too much on emotions and what others think about you, you will be stuck in a situation where you cannot develop. Being selfish is not just a negative thing. 3, 4 months before a competition, I could not be interfered by other people's problems. This was sometimes called being selfish. It's the only way you can be if you want to achieve something. And many times things really touched me. I felt them and I felt sensitive about them, but I had to talk myself out of it. I had to suppress those feelings in order to go on. These are examples from the text where he says that he had to suppress feelings and emotions to become the version of himself that he is today. He speaks a lot about himself and is very subjective. He gives his opinion in pretty much everything he talks about. But most of the things he says make sense. The interview is about his life, and if anyone has experience regarding this subject, is himself. He knows exactly what he did to get in the position he is in. He also knows how and why he did those things. He explains everything, like his opinion about being selfish and why it can be a good thing. When he speaks, he emphasizes ethos and pathos a lot. He brings in real situations from his life, which tells us that he has experience and knows exactly what he's talking about. And when he, for example, explains his journey to becoming Mr. Olympia, winning the championship 5 times in a row, you don't doubt his authority. When he explains all the physical and mental battles he's fought, the way he shuts others out to gain success and accomplish it, um, I personally feel deep inside my heart, I feel pathos. It's inspiring to read about his accomplishments. It almost makes you want to follow his footsteps. Apart from forms of appeal, he asks rhetorical questions. Also, when you make money, how do you keep it? Followed by his passion, real estate. Um, he speaks in a very persuasive manner. In the interview, he's not talking about a possible way to become successful. He's actually explaining the way you accomplish your dreams, uh, as to what he thinks, as what he believes in. He uses a lot of strong words like must. You must be able to control your emotions. And even when something really touches you, it must be suppressed for you to go on. His intention is to really break through to the readers to make sure they get his point, reach for greatness, and strive for their biggest dreams. To me, he seems reliable in his statements. I mean, he talks about his dreams from when he was just a little boy and how he pushed himself for the sake of accomplishments. He wanted to get results and he got them. In this interview, he talks about his journey and how he believes others should fight to become the best version of themselves. So I'd say he's pretty reliable. And other than that, I believe that he came through with his intentions. I personally felt a lot of things, including inspiration, and I believe that is what he wants to inspire and also to give dreams and a way to accomplish these dreams.